So this is everything that came with my copper zippo. And it's pretty nice, to be honest. And this is just what the card says that comes with it. And they even include the orange sticker with just paper on the back. And then something odd I noticed with these zippos is how it's not as deeply stamped as the non-copper one, which I thought was weird. Which you'd think that would, wouldn't be a problem, but I have no idea at this point. Then it has the black insert that everyone's been waiting for. Not a fan of it, in my opinion, because steel is just what I've been used to. But this is just my review of it versus getting it here.